In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell a Canva ebook cover template. First, head to canva.com and log in, or create a free account if you're new. Once you're in, we'll start a new design. Click Create a Design and choose Ebook Cover. Canva sets up the correct canvas size automatically, so you're ready to build a clean, professional example that you can sell as a reusable template. Let's customize the cover so buyers see exactly how it works. Pick a background that suits a wide range of topics: an image, a gradient, or a solid color. Keep readability in mind. Strong contrast between text and background makes the title pop. Add placeholder text for the title and subtitle, such as "Your book title here" and "Subtitle goes here," and include an author name line. Choose fonts that are easy to read and pair well together. Then bring in a few simple elements, icons, shapes, or minimal illustrations, to give it style without overwhelming the layout. Align everything neatly and maintain consistent spacing so future edits stay tidy. To make your file truly reusable, design with flexibility in mind. Leave obvious editable areas like the title, subtitle, author name, and accent colors. Avoid using copyrighted images or premium elements you don't have permission to redistribute. When possible, stick to free or properly licensed Canva assets so buyers won't run into paywalls. Group related items only when it helps organization, and keep the layer order logical so it's easy for someone else to swap content. When your design looks polished, save it as a template. Click Share, select the template link option, and copy the link. This special link creates a personal copy for each buyer so they won't edit your original. It's a good idea to paste the link into a new browser window to confirm it opens as a template. Now, list your template for sale. Upload it to marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or the Canva Creator Marketplace. Add clear previews that show the cover in different color variations and with example text. In your listing description, explain what's editable, what's included, and that the buyer only needs the template link to start customizing. Promote your template to drive traffic. Share before and after visuals on social media. Post short tutorials showing how quickly someone can change fonts and colors, and link directly to your listing. Once your listing is live, the process is simple. Buyers purchase your template, open the link, customize it to their needs, and you earn income each time. Keep refining your designs based on feedback, and your shop can grow into a reliable source of repeat sales.